Picture this, you've gone out and bought yourself a used car. It's all nice and shiny, looks perfect, you open the door, you get inside, and that looks immaculate and nice and clean as well. All brilliant, you are a super happy new car owner. But on this video I'm going to show you that not everything might be as it seems, and I'm going to show you and reveal what could be hidden beneath the surface. So the test subject for this video then is a 9-year-old Vauxhall Corsa. Certainly not the most exciting car I could have featured on the channel, but it'll certainly do for what we're going to show you. With it being 9 years old, it's had a little bit of wear and tear anyway, so it's quite ideal. And on the face of it, the interior looks in reasonable condition, doesn't it? In preparation for this video, I've already used a major popular brand to clean the interior, following all the instructions, and as you can see, it's looking pretty good. And for the most part, many people would be more than happy with the condition of the interior of the car. But here's the thing. Obviously, looks can be deceptive. Now, especially during these times with COVID-19, you want to make sure that your car interior is as clean and sanitized as, of course, what it looks on the surface. So what do you think is going to happen then if we go one step further and use some professional cleaning equipment on an interior that already looks clean? I've grabbed my trusty pneumatic George wet and dry cleaner along with some professional carpet cleaning product, which of course is also suitable for upholstery. And just to let you know, guys, that all the products I'm going to be using in this video, I will leave a link in the video description if you want to go ahead and get some for yourself. So it's time to crack on with the cleaning, and just be aware that there is a good chance you're going to be incredibly disgusted with what I'm about to show you. Right then, so as it currently stands, I've only cleaned one seat, just that passenger seat you've seen me do. So let's head in and let's just take a look at what exactly has come out of this seat. This is pretty grim. So that is actually what has come out of one seat, just the one passenger seat, as I've just mentioned. Have a look at that. That is absolutely disgusting, and basically that is somebody else's dirt. Ugh, really not that pleasant. Right then, so this is what's left from the rest of the car. So let's just take a look, and that looks absolutely minging. Ugh, that is just, oh my god, that is not pleasant. Look at that. Ugh, that, guys, is what you sit in. For the love of God, if you buy a second-hand car, get it professionally valeted, because you're going to be sat in that. Ew. So I think we have our answer. That was absolutely incredible, just how much dirt has actually come out of the carpets, and you saw how much dirt came out of just this seat alone. for a car that, of course, on the surface looked absolutely fine. So guys, my recommendation on this channel and on this video is one of the first things you should do when you buy a used car is make sure that if it wasn't done by the dealership that you bought it from, or especially if you used it or bought it from the second-hand market from a private seller, go get that thing professionally valeted, because really, especially during these times, you do not want to be sat in years worth of people's dead skin, dirt, mud, and I dread to think whatever else. So that wraps up the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm. And if you're still here right now, please do consider subscribing if you're awesome. Until next time, see you again soon.